Hi everyone, I'm Mike Hanson with Emerson Swan, and today we're coming to you live from the Ariston Group North American Training Center, and we're here with our partners Fernox. We've been partnered with Fernox for a number of years now, and they produce products that address water quality in hydronic heating systems. Fernox's primary focus is producing chemicals that allow contractors to ensure that the water quality in their hydronic systems meets the requirements of the boiler that they're installing. They offer a full host of products that not only allow you to test the water in an existing hydronic system, but also allow you to ensure that the water that's going into a newly installed system are up to the water quality standards that the manufacturers require. We also offer a glycol package that will allow the hydronic installer to ensure that systems won't freeze up if there is a system failure. We also have an extensive array of products that will allow you to clean a system and then treat the water that goes back into that system. We're excited to be here at the Ariston Training Center, assisting them in shooting some of their videos. And if you have any questions at all or you have upcoming projects, please don't hesitate to reach out to your closest Emerson Swan representative, and we'd be happy to help.